Lamas, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to learn everything about aloe vera for hair growth, so with no further ado, let's get straight into the video. So of course, first of all, I went to get the aloe vera. I just cut this somewhere in our compound. If you need to buy it instead because it's sold in some places, you can go ahead to buy yours. So this was the amount of aloe vera I cut, so I'm going to go ahead to open it. So here's the easy way to do so. You would see one part of the aloe vera is flat and the other part is round, so you're going to start cutting the flat part out or peeling off the flat part exactly like this. Then go ahead to use a spoon to scoop out the aloe vera gel from the leaf, the bark, whatever it's called. It's just so much easier doing it like this. So after doing that, this was all the gel that came out from the aloe vera. Here's the technique I used to get my gel coming out as actual gel. So I used this lace that has this net fabric thingy in it. Previous times I have tried it, I used the regular cheesecloth, and that didn't do a great job. It didn't really bring out the gel slippery as I needed it to be. So I knew I needed something that had more oils, or a fabric that had more oils, so that the gel consistency or thickness was still there. So I decided to use this lace that I had with me. So you can use a net fabric instead, basically, but you just need a fabric that has enough wool so that your aloe vera does not liquefy finish. Also, I have tried blending it before, and the aloe vera came out almost as water, like almost as liquidy as water. So for this, you don't want your aloe vera to be so liquidy. You want the gel to still be there. You want it to still be slippery. It's still quite some time. I had to eventually start extracting it in little quantity, but eventually this was what it came out looking like. You can see this texture, you can see the consistency, you can see the slip, you can see this jelly consistency. That is exactly what you want. That is exactly what you need. So basically, to apply the aloe vera, I simply just sprayed my entire hair with water at first. My hair was so tangled because I had it in twist out for like 2 weeks, and I made a separate dedicated video on how to detangle your hair in a way that it leads to no breakage and no pain. So if it's something you like, I recommend you subscribe, because that will be the next video. So I basically worked in sections. Starting up with this section, I got my aloe vera gel and basically just started applying it to the entire strand. I made sure it went everywhere, like it got to every single strand of my hair. I massaged it in and also applied it to my scalp. I really enjoyed using this on my hair. It was just so easy and it just melted away my entire tangles. Like, look at this. The next, I went ahead to comb the section and twisted it aside, and just repeated that in sections to my entire head of hair. So here's something you need to know before you go ahead to use aloe vera on your hair. First of all, aloe vera might cause allergic reaction to some people, so I say that before you use it on your hair, you should first of all do a patch test. For me personally, using aloe vera on my skin kind of caused like some itchiness, but using it on my hair didn't cause anything. So I would say that you may need to do a patch test on your scalp or your hair too. I don't know. So here are the benefits of aloe vera for hair growth. So first of all, as you can see, aloe vera can serve as an amazing detangler because of the slip it has. So this can help you in your detangling section to help reduce breakage, which in turn would help you retain length. Also, aloe vera is a humectant, which means it draws in moisture to your hair. So moisture is a great key for hair growth. So aloe vera does help by giving your hair deep moisture and drawing in moisture to your hair. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal property, and it's really good for dandruff. If you have dandruff, I recommend you try this. It also helps calm itchy scalp. So if you have itchy scalp, you can also give aloe vera a go, and it helps deep cleanse oily hair. Aloe vera can also help to strengthen and repair hair strands as it has vitamin C, E, B12, and folic acid. It also has enzymes and fatty acid that can help to reduce inflammation, and overall, it helps to promote growth. So, when I was done, I covered my hair with a plastic bag and left it for like 30 minutes or longer or so. After using this, it really left my hair feeling so good. My hair was fully detangled, and I went ahead to shampoo it out, and my hair felt moisturized still. Crazy. I also shared that video where I shampooed my hair, and that's a separate video on shampooing hair 101, do's and don'ts, and everything, just to help promote growth and all of that. So, if it's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe again so you don't miss out on that next video. I definitely recommend you try using aloe vera for your hair. It can help you with your hair growth journey. I'm going to be trying new, different other DIYs too. So if you're interested in seeing other things I'm going to be trying to help grow my hair this time, then make sure to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.